Hello friends, this is RK from RK Share Market and Investments. It's a short video on Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. Being a fresh week from tomorrow, how the index is going to be, on what side the index will move. So all these things will be discussed in this short video. First of all, thanks very much for subscribing my YouTube channel and Telegram channel. Please do refer to your friends to help me to grow this a bigger one. If you have not done, please click the subscribe button given below and please do refer to your friends. This video is created for educational purpose. Share market trading involves huge financial risk. Consult your financial advisor before investments. And Nifty on a 5-minute chart on Friday, it was a kind of very good day. Just took a support from this 10,000 mark. As I said, like whenever you see Nifty below this 10,050 or something like that, you can go ahead with the put option. Otherwise, whenever you see about 10,100 mark, you can go with the call option side. And it was a kind of pure winning strategy on the call option side, and it gave a kind of very good return. And you can see on the call option side it gave 81 rupees per lot on the Nifty, that is on the 10,100 call option side, and it exactly got rejected at this 10,250. so the target which I said was 10,200 to 250 range, it exactly got rejected and it closed at the same level of 10,250. so except which a kind of two drops, and it took a support from this same the opening high point, and then it started moving up. So Nifty Friday, it was a kind of very good trading day. And how it is going to be tomorrow, if it goes on the upper side, it might face rejection on the 10,400 mark. But on the global market, SGX Nifty is trading a little negative or 100 points down, so giving a kind of opening below this 10,200 to 10,100 mark. So this will define our level for tomorrow, before which we will see Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty on a daily chart, it is also same kind of winner strategy. Like whenever it trades below, like the recommendation was, whenever it trade below this 21,000 mark, you can go ahead with this whenever you see this below this 20,900, you can go ahead with this put option. And then whenever you see about 21,000, you can go with the call option. And call option side, it was a kind of pure winning kind of suggestion, and it gave a kind of 302 compared to the opening to the high mark. Whereas if you have caught something low, your profit might have been better. And it gave a kind of small retracement during the kind of second half of the day, but it again regained and closed somewhere closer to this 21,300 to 400 mark. So this also got rejected at the same level of 21,500. And how it is going to be tomorrow? So tomorrow again, if it goes on the upper side, it might face rejection at this 21,500 to 600 mark. But unfortunately, Nifty is going to be like a gap down opening, and if it is also the same, then it might open somewhere closer to the 21,000 mark. So let us see the option chain data for Bank Nifty. First Nifty. So Nifty, as per the SGX Nifty's way of opening, it might open somewhere closer to this 10,150 mark. So tomorrow's level will be, if it sustains about 10,200, if it sustains about 10,200, you can go ahead with this 10,250 call option if Nifty sustains about 10,200. And the targets for the same will be 10,400 max to max, and you can close your call option side whenever you see 10,400 on the upper side. And stop loss for the same will be 10,100. if it crosses below 10,100 to 150, you can exit the call option position. And you on the put option side, if you see market below 10,200, you can exercise 10,250 or 10,200 put option. Target for the same will be 10,100 to 10,000 mark. So 10,000 will be the lower limit, and whenever you see 10,000, you can close your put option. And if possible, you can do a reverse trade by taking 10,100 or 10,000 call option. And on the same side here, you can, whenever you see 10,400 mark, you can exercise put option 10,400 or 10,500 put option on this side. And let me conclude. Whenever you see market above 10,200, and if it sustains above 10,200, you can exercise 10,250 or 10,200 call option. Targets will be 10,400 to 10,400 max to max, or maximum it will go up to 10,500. So whenever you see 10,400, you can close your 10,400 call option. Stop loss will be 10,100 to 10,150. And whenever you see 10,100 level, you can exercise the put option side. Okay, and on the other side, whenever you see this 10,100 mark, whenever you go below, you can do reverse trade by taking 10,100 put option. And when the opening is below 10,200, that is at a kind of 1,150, 10,150 or something, you can exercise 10,200 or 10,250 put option for a target of 10,000, and a stop loss for the same will be 10,200 to 250 mark. And on the other side, if it exceeds, like if it closes above, like if it crosses this stop loss, you can do a reverse trade by taking 10,200 call option for a target of 10,500. Bank Nifty, the same thing. Whenever you see somewhere when the Bank Nifty above 10,300 mark, where 10,200 to 300 mark, you can exercise 10,300 call option, and the targets for the same will be 10,600 to 700 if it is opening on the positive side. And on the downside, if it goes below, like stop loss will be 10,200 mark. So whenever it crosses below 10,200, you can exit your call option, and you can exercise the reverse trade by taking 10,200 to 10,300 put option. And on the downside, the target will be 21,000 or 20,900 to 800 marks. And whenever if the opening is below 10,300 or 10,200, whenever if it opens somewhere closer to the 10,200 to 300, you can exercise 21,300 put option for a target of 21,000 to 20,900. And stop loss for the same will be 20,300 or 350. And whenever it reverses to 21,300 or 350, you can exercise call option for a target of 21,500 to 600 levels. I hope the levels are very clear. Let me conclude one more time for Bank Nifty. If the opening is below 10,300 and if it is below 21,200 to 300, you can exercise 21,300 put option for a target of 21,000 or 20,900 with a stop of 21,300. And whenever the market is below 21,300, you can exercise 21,300 put option for a target of 21,000 to 20,900, and the stop loss for the same will be 20,300 to 350 mark. And if the market is above 21,300 mark, you can exercise 21,300 call option for a target of 21,500 to 600 mark, and you can exit your position at 21,500 mark. Stop loss will be 21,200 on the call option side. Thanks very much, and have a wonderful and beautiful and profitable week ahead. Thank you very much. Bye.